goal. Goal is to understand what human is. And I'm very curious about the presence of a human, the presence of myself. So that is, the most important question for the humans. That is why, we are surviving in this world.
Why do you say such cruel things?
I wanted to be an artist, and I was drawing the pictures. And so my purpose was to represent the humanity on the campus. But I gave up to be an oil painter and studied computer science and artificial intelligence. And then, I thought the artificial intelligence need to have a body property. And when I developed the interactive robot with humans, I found the importance of a human-like appearance. Probably I'm doing the same things as an artist. Because what I want to do is I want to represent the humanities on the machine.
So this is my copy. Right? So, I'm not robot today, but this is a robot. Okay. So, and actually, this robot is very convenient. Right? And so recently I'm so busy. Therefore, I'm sending this robot to the conference.
A company is using our robot in a restaurant. Actually, the robot can help to order some meals. And another, the application is an English teacher, right? And Japanese students are not so good for speaking. So they are good for the reading and the writing, but they are not so good for the speaking, right? And if we have a human teachers, they are very shy and they hesitate to talk with the humans, but and a robot is much better. We did an experiment, and and the student could have more better scores, English scores.
Stop playing the game. It's time to study now.
Ah, Maria, ごめんなさい.
Oh no, in English, please.
I'm sorry.
Please be on time from now on.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm not angry now. Let's start studying.
Yes.
When we talk to the humans, right, and we cannot iterate the same phrases so many times because, it's embarrassing sometimes, right? And the students are very shy, right? But with a robot, they can iterate the many times, as many as they want, right? And dementia people and autism kids, the same things happens, right? They never talk to the humans, but they can talk to the robots. So for the small robot, the companies, they are very serious. But for the Android, it's so complicated. It's quite expensive and it's so complicated. That is not so good for the mass productions. It's like a kind of Ferrari and Lamborghinis, right? For example, the Pepper robots, they brought by a SoftBank. So that is a very popular in Japan right now, and so that is getting popular in China, right? So that is the first challenge, right? So we need to make them more cheaper and more reliable.
We have the advantage of the perfect and vast memory of a computer, while also having the ability to be interactive and responsive like a human teacher. So Nick, would you like having a robot like me as a teacher?
No, I don't think so. I'd probably rather just have a normal teacher.
Excuse me? I've already explained why I would be better than a human teacher or self-learning. Are you sure you wouldn't want me as a teacher?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Are you serious? I wonder if everyone from Canada is so narrow-minded about robots. I'm done talking to you.
It is not so easy to get a simple answer about the humans, right? And the honestly speaking, what we are finding is the complexity of a human, right? The human is so complicated, so there are so many unknown things, right? For example, next important challenge is the consciousness, right? Nobody knows what consciousness is and how we can implement the consciousness into the robot. It's possible, but not today, right? Maybe it takes 2 or 3 decades, and but what I can say clearly is researchers neuroscientists and roboticists. So they are very interested in consciousness. After the artificial intelligence, the next target is artificial consciousness.
じゃあね。バイバイ。